Hello guys, today video is very important for the Windows 11 user because I'm going to share with you 5 important tips for Windows 11 users. So stay tuned. Very first one is, for example, if I buy any new computer and laptop, I want to find out the Windows is genuine, authentic. So what I will do, I'll go to the search bar and then I will type CMD and click on this option, command prompt. And when this black window appears, so here I will type slmgr and then slash xbr, and remember this code, press enter. So when you press enter, it will show the Windows status. My machine is permanently activated, so there is no problem. But if there is any problem, it will appear here with the date and time that Windows is going to expire. So I'm good to go. Move on to the next one. Next one is whenever I open any file within the computer, it creates the temporary space. To get rid of those temporary files, I will go to the search bar, press percentage temp, again percentage. You can see this temporary folder, click on this one, and all those temporary files will appear. Press Ctrl A and then press Shift Delete. Press yes, and it will delete all those temporary files and skip the files which you are unable to delete, and it will help to improve the efficiency of your computer. Move on to the next one. Next one is optimize drives. So I have 2 drives at the moment, so you can have 3 and 4 drives. And if I want to optimize those drives, I will go to the search bar and write DEFR. So you can see the option defragment and optimize drives. Click on this one and all your drives will appear here. Select the drive and then press optimize. It will optimize that selected drive. You can select the next one and optimize the next one as well at the same time, or you can wait for the first one to be done and then do the next one. So you can see now my drives have been optimized. I'll just close this window. Next one is protection from the viruses. What if I tell you don't need to buy the expensive antivirus software? Windows has inbuilt antivirus system. How can we access that? So go to the search bar and then type Windows Security. You can see this one with this sign. Click on this one. Windows Security option will open and all those green text shows it's all fine here. If anyone is not green, so you need to make it green. So on the left hand side, you can see virus and threat protection. Click on this one. The current threat, so there is no current threat. If there was, so it will show here. Quick scan, you can easily quick scan and see if there are any virus infected file in your computer or no. And there are other option, virus and threat protection update, ransomware protection. And if I go to this manage setting, virus and threat protection, so real-time protection, dev drive protection, all those options should be on. So it is really good for your system to avoid the viruses as well. So go back to the home. So this is how you can activate your basically antivirus software, which is the free. And next one is the last one is about the maintenance of your system. Like we human need the maintenance, the system need maintenance as well. If I go to the search bar and type control panel, this option is here. If I click this one, and it will take me to the control panel. The first option is system and security. Click on this one and you can see security and maintenance. Click on this one again. And there are 2 options, security and maintenance. If I just drop down, it will show the different option. Automatic maintenance, last run was 31st of Jan. And start maintenance, you can just click start maintenance and it will start maintaining your system. Or you can click change maintenance settings and you can basically run maintenance daily. At time you can set the time and it will automatically start maintaining your system. Go back to this option and there's a file history is off. You can turn it on again. And this is how you use this maintenance function. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.